Thanks, O Mother Nature. Written by Mr. Akil Ahmad. Published in the year 2005. October 23, 2001. A New Delhi Addis Ababa Ethiopian Airlines flight was circling in the sky above the Bole International Airport, Addis Ababa. It was awaiting clearance to land from Air Traffic Control Tower. It was my first trip to Ethiopia or Africa. Oh, Africa, dark continent, ill famous for hunger, poverty, political instability, poor governance, deep-rooted corruption. It was my first assignment with the government of Ethiopia under the UNDP sponsored project. Before taking up this project, I had gathered all possible information about the East African countries. What I gathered was not encouraging. The flight was spiraling down. I could see the city very well. Hundreds and thousands of small hutments all around were scattered, covered with tin sheds, which were reflected brightly under the blazing sun. Very few multi-storied buildings and skyscrapers were visible. Is it Addis Ababa or any neighboring town? It was looking like as if we were flying over Dharavi, Mumbai. This bird's eye view further deepened my fear. It was more bleak than my imagination. If this is the situation in the capital, then what would be the condition of towns or remote places? All the gathered information about Ethiopia were haunting my mind. I was cursing myself for going against my family's decision. The plane was shaking as it was descending through a patch of clouds. My heart was thumping violently. I was pretty nervous, missing my family. Suddenly, we heard the captain's shrill voice on the public address system. Dear passengers, we are about to land on Bole International Airport of Addis Ababa. Please fold your tables and keep your seat erect and tighten your seat belts. The outside temperature is 12 degrees Celsius and humidity is 60%. On behalf of the flight crew, I thank you for giving us an opportunity to serve you. Have a good day. As I came out of the aeroplane with my hand baggage, a cool breeze welcomed me. The ultra-modern glass structure of Bole International Airport is a giant masterpiece of engineering and architecture befitting the status of Addis Ababa as the capital of Ethiopia. After clearing my custom and immigration formalities, I came out of the airport. A car from the ministry was waiting for me. I was taken to a 3-star hotel. The room was not very big but comfortable. As I came out of the hotel, I found out that the roads were not wide but neat and clean with hardly any traffic on them. Taxi drivers were polite and honest, unlike most of the metros of the world. Their smooth and sensible driving with high driving sense surprised me. There was no blaring of horns and screeching sounds of brakes. Addis has a well maintained and cheap taxi service. I was shown 3 Indian restaurants named Sangam, Bombay, and Jewel in the Crown. They are not expensive. Plenty of fresh and cheap papaya, pineapple, pomegranate, orange, and sweet lemon and carrot juices are also available. Ethiopians are very friendly and they welcome Indians in their fractured Hindi. Indian films are very popular in Ethiopia. Today, I have completed 4 years in Ethiopia and willing to stay longer. Ethiopia is a country whose ancient culture and magnificent landscapes reflect an extraordinary past that has left an indelible mark on the land, the people, and their monuments. This is Ethiopia. Thanks, O Mother Nature, who has maintained an intricate balance everywhere, for blessing this region with fresh air and good atmosphere, exotic flora and fauna, beautiful lakes and mountains, and a simple and honest lifestyle. Thank you for listening. Now some of the words and their meaning. The flight was spiraling down. Spiral down means to travel down in a twirling or spiraling motion. This bird's eye view further deepened my fear. Bird's eye view means a general view from high place. It was more bleak than my imagination. Bleak means bad, not encouraging. All the gathered information about Ethiopia were haunting my mind. Haunt means repeatedly trouble. Exotic flora and fauna. Flora and fauna means plants and animals of a particular area. This is Ethiopia. Thanks, O Mother Nature, who has maintained an intricate balance everywhere. Intricate means having a lot of small parts that are arranged in a complicated way. Thank you very much.